Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Only Hustle and Game. It's your boy Zay here. And first off, I just want to say my thoughts and prayers go out to the people of Ukraine, as this year in 2022, something like this is going on. It just blows my mind, and it's very unfortunate. And so I just wanted to, give my thoughts and prayers out there to those people in Ukraine, as well as the people in Russia, the actual people of Russia who do not want this happening, guys. We've seen the protests happening by the Russian people, and over 1,700 people getting arrested yesterday night for protesting against this war, this invasion. So it's very unfortunate times. This has definitely played a role in the stock market and the crypto market as well. But recently we've seen some interesting things happen with the crypto market rebounding. And I believe that's just because a lot of the news that we feel about cryptocurrency we already know, versus the big tech stocks that have been falling down as a result of high inflation rates, as well as what's going on overseas with Ukraine and Russia. So it's been interesting in the crypto market lately, as we've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of have a slight rebound. They're still down quite significantly on the month and overall just at the beginning of 2022. But guys, in this video, I basically want to talk about giving you guys some more tips on what to do in this kind of market right now, because it seems that a lot of people are selling their assets again. And guys, you only lose when you sell. Once you sell, that's it. You took your loss. But having time in the market is a lot better than just trying to time the market, if that makes sense. So at this point in time, guys, I like what one of my favorite people on YouTube who talk about in the finance space, Keenan Grace, had said. He said you have to be a firefighter during these times. So shout out Keenan Grace. He's like, you have to run towards the fire. And so when it comes to the stock market and it's being super red right now, and it's kind of one of those things too, to where people are talking about, is this a recession or is this a bear market, which are two very different things in a way when it comes to the stock market. And so right now, when you see your portfolios far in the red, a bloodbath, just taking losses, guys, you have to really understand that by dollar cost averaging into the market and trying not to time the market, just consistently having, maybe you invest $100 a month, $100 a week, or whatever it is, whatever your budget is, guys, that is far better than trying to wait for the market, because it doesn't make any sense for the market to start rebounding and going back up into the green, and then you deciding to put money in, then you're just buying at a higher price, and when it dips, you're not gonna go ahead and buy that dip, guys. So it's just one of those things to where you have to really understand what you're looking to do in the market. So start talking about what has happened recently with the crypto market, because it's been really interesting. So right here on the 30-day chart for Bitcoin, we see that it's, at the time of this recording, it's trading at $39,714. It is up 10.38%, which is very interesting, again, like I said, because everything that's happening with these tech stocks like Tesla, Facebook, all these stocks that are in the red, we're seeing a rebound in crypto. And again, that kind of just goes back to, we already know some of the news with crypto. We already know that it's volatile. People are still, they already know what's going on with cryptocurrency. And with more regulations coming to crypto, the fact that we already know this news, that has kind of seen like it set the price, it set the tone for crypto as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So people are buying in more, and we're seeing slight rebounds in it, versus with the stock market, as far as the big tech companies go, with inflation as well as what's going on in the overseas, people are still panicking and selling off. So Ethereum, on the month, we are up 18%. And right now, at the time of this recording, it is trading at $2,827. So we're still under that $3,000 mark. And on the past week, it is only up 0.19%. So that's crypto for you guys. I wanted to be transparent again. This past month in February, I have not been buying a whole lot of pretty much anything, guys. I've been trying to get more of my more money thrown into my different kind of buckets, as far as my overhead fund goes, my emergency fund goes, and just trying to consolidate certain areas. So right here in February, guys, just want to show you guys what I bought. I did buy 8,484 shares of Spell token at an average buy price of 0.00613, $55 worth. And Spell, guys, is not doing too great. At the time of this recording that I'm making this video right now, Spell token is trading is actually 0.004 cents. So I'm down quite significantly. I have an average buy price of 1 cent. So still down on that. I don't want to be buying a whole lot more of Spell. I really just want to focus on the Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. I also bought a little bit of Tesla. I've been kind of dollar cost averaging into Tesla, buying $25 here and there, $50 here and there. So I bought $25 worth of Tesla at $822. Guys, right now when it comes to Tesla, I feel like anything under $1,000 is a great buying opportunity for Tesla. These EV stocks, guys, have really taken a hit lately, as well as ChargePoint. You guys know I love ChargePoint. And so it's one of those things, guys, to where, again, dollar cost averaging into the market is very important. I feel like in these times, I mean, the price of oil has gone up like crazy since everything's been going on overseas. So right now, at the time of this recording, oil is trading at $91 a barrel. And when we look at this chart, guys, we can see that oil has been going crazy lately. And I feel like that's one of those things that where it kind of correlates to the EV market, because as the prices of oil increases, and we see these prices in the EV stocks like ChargePoint, Tesla kind of take a hit. If you are in the EV sector invested in that area, then guys, dollar cost averaging into these stocks is going to help your position in the long run when EV stocks start to rebound again. Because guys, again, it's still pretty early. Like, I mean, charging stations and electric vehicles, we're seeing a lot of the big motor companies like Ford, Rivian Motors, Lucid Motors, kind of eventually start production. We saw that last year in 2021, where they a lot of plans of announcements and partnerships with, you know, different kind of, for instance, Luminar Technologies partnering up with Mercedes-Benz. We see that this is still in the early stages. So in the next 5 years, 10 years, if you're holding for the long term with these EV stocks, then now is the time to be dollar cost averaging in and lowering your average your cost basis. So that's something to keep in mind as well. I wanted to talk about the stock market right now and some of the stocks that I feel like you should be taking a note of. Right here, when it comes to Tesla, guys, like I said, anything under $1,000 in my opinion is a strong buy. So at the time of this recording, Tesla is trading at $810. We did see it touch a few days ago $790 as well, and it's been down lately, guys. So again, keep an eye on Tesla as well as ChargePoint, because ChargePoint is trading at $13.69. And me personally, guys, I am down on ChargePoint. I own 20 shares at an average buy price of $19. So I still need to be averaging down to kind of get that cost basis to where I like the numbers a lot more and better. But those are some stocks to definitely keep an eye on, as well as 3M, guys. 3M has been taking a hit like crazy lately. And even though I get a 15% discount with my group employee stock purchase program, I still am down on my position overall. I'm down like $400 on my 38 shares of 3M. Right now it is trading at $150.55. It is down 13% on the month, and it is up 1.59% on the week. So right there, guys, this is a dividend safe haven. A lot of people enjoy 3M because of how diversified they are. They own a lot of different things. They make a lot of different things. So this is a great buy price too as well, 3M. So those three stocks right there, guys, just keep an eye on them: ChargePoint, Tesla, 3M. And just remember, time in the market beats trying to time the market. And you just can't be afraid when certain things like this happen. Continue to do what you do. I mean, keep investing in stocks and cryptocurrency. Don't sell your assets. I mean, if you don't want to buy anything right now, if you still kind of feel like it's just, you don't know where it's going to go as far as if it's going to dip even lower, me personally, what I'm doing is I'm just going to continue to dollar cost average in and buy what I can when I can. And I'm not really going to change anything as far as investing goes. And I feel like you guys should try to do the same. Just do not sell your assets. Whatever you do, don't sell for a loss. I mean, because again, guys, if you have the slightest chance to make some kind of profit on your money, or a chance to rebound and get break even again and eventually go up over time, continue to hold, guys. And that's really all I got to say as far as that regards go. Again, my thoughts and prayers go out to the people of Ukraine. Very unfortunate times, and I hope that sometime soon that this can all be over with. And I hope that for anybody out there from the overseas, Russia, Ukraine, if you guys are watching this, then you know, my heart goes out to you. So again, for the investing side. Always remember what your long-term goals are. Always remember what you're trying to do this for. And when you see the markets down like this, guys, then don't be afraid to continue to enter into them, because this is where millionaires are made. This is where wealth is made when the markets are down. You do not want to be buying Bitcoin when it's at $50,000, $60,000. You don't want to be buying stocks, Tesla, when it's at $30,000. These are the times when you want to be buying those blue chip stocks and crypto, so you can make a greater return on your when the markets decide to rebound. So with that being said, guys, it's your boy Zay here. I do apologize, I have not been posting as frequently. I am going to try to stick to a schedule to where I upload these videos, you know, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesdays, Thursday, Saturday, something like that. Just I want to be more consistent for you guys, and that is something I haven't been, so I do apologize for that. But if you watch the video all the way to the end, don't forget to click those links in the description below to get yourself some free cryptocurrency as well as some free stocks with the links below. So again, I wish you well, guys. I hope you're having a great day, a great night, wherever you are watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.